Hello friends, today I am discussing the CodeNation 2022 uh, test is happen in 5th February. So today I participated in CodeNation contest and I able to solve one question. So I am discussing that question. So let's see what is the question is. So there was a fifth question. So in fifth question, what we have given? We have given number of rows and a number of columns. So yeah, let's see number of n given which is rows rows and m equal to columns. So we have given number of rows and number of columns. Uh, and what we have to calculate? We have given like a grid and let's say this. So we have given like this. So number of rows are 1, 2, 3, 4. So n equal to 4 and m equal to also 4. M equal to also 4. Number of columns are also 4. So in this grid, everywhere in every cell there is a value which is 1. There is a value which is 1. We have to replace some ones to minus 1. We have to replace some ones to minus 1 and we have to ensure that in every column the summation would be 0. In every column the summation would be 0. So uh, for first column, second column, third column and fourth column. So for making first column 0, what we can do, we can convert 1 to minus 1. So the summation would be 1, 2, then minus 2, which is 0. Similarly, we can make column 2 as minus 1, minus 1. So again, the second column would become 0. For the third column also, we can make minus 1, minus 1. So this also becomes 0. And for fourth column, we have to change 1 to minus 1 and this column becomes 0. So how we approach to this problem? The question is how we approach to this problem, and we have to calculate the number of ways. So how many number of ways we can uh, put 1 to minus 1 that all columns sum becomes 0. So we have to calculate the number of ways and we have a condition that the column sum is 0. So let's check the first case. If n is odd, that is number of rows is odd, m is let's say 4. If number of rows is odd, then always our answer would be 0. So let's say for 3 n equal to 3, let's n equal to 3. Yeah, 1 2 3 4. So for n equal to 3, we have 1 1 1. So we have 3 rows. So can we make this column, can we make first column 0 for changing 1 to minus 1? No, because if we change minus 1 to this one, then it becomes 1. When we add, it becomes 1, if we change to 1, then it becomes minus 1. So not possible to make this column 0. So always, if number of rows, we have number of rows 0, number of rows odd, then the answer is always 0. There is no possibility to make a column sum 0. Now, 4, we have to check for when number of rows is even. When number of rows is even, so I will make here, okay, 4. So when the number of rows is even, then how we can do? So we have 4 places. This, in each column we have 4 places, that is a number of rows. uh, so we have 4 places, so we have to place minus 1 at half place. So we can either make minus 1 here, minus 1 here, and 1 1. Either we can make uh, 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. So we have 4 places and we have to put minus 1 at half places. So what we have to calculate, for each column we have all possibilities, which is n, c, n by 2, n by 2, n c, n by 2 is all possibility for each column, to make each column 0. So for each column we have this much ways, and we have of course m columns. So for m columns, we have to multiply m times, or we can make a power m. So we have to do so what we have to do, we have to calculate for one column, and for all columns what we have to do, we have to multiply m times. So this becomes our answer. This becomes our answer. Yeah, that's it. uh, so why I am not multiplying and putting m as a power? Because uh, we know, for let's understand this. We are checking for grid. So how many grid is possible? This is 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. So for this So no, so let's check how many possibility for n equal to 4. Let's check for this n equal to 4. So how many possibility we have? We have 4 c 4 upon 2, which is 4 c2, which is 4 factorial upon 2 factorial upon into 2 factorial. So this becomes uh, so you can calculate this. So this becomes 4 3 6. So 4 into 3 upon 2, 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So the 4 so 6 possibility we have. So we have 6 possibility for each column. So our answer would be 6 to the power 4, because number of columns is 4. So for this column, we have how many possibility for this column? So we have 6 possibility. So for each this combination, so 1 1 minus 1, we have to take all possibility for this column. So 1 into 6, 1 into 6, and for we have here 6 possibility now. So for 6 possibility, we have to multiply 6 into 6, 6 into 6, and for this column also we have 6 possibility, which is into 6. Again for this column we have 6 possibility into 6, so this becomes 6 to the power 4. So so we are taking uh, m as a power. So I am able to solve this problem in the contest. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.